All right, this is an elevator at the exit stadium elevator at Shops at Mandalay Place. I wildly assume this is going to be a Hydra fit. It's got a two fat indicators. Oh my god. Oh, Gen 2. Okay. I don't know why there's two fat indicators. Oh shoot. Could have just done Hydra fit. That's overkill in my opinion. There it goes. And that's it.